Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to backup everything for your Character Creator 4 and iClone it. And where is the custom folder and where is the template folder? How are we going to backup everything and where are the locations? So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you can see your iClone it under your contents, your templates here. For anything here, you can just simply click anything, just right click it, then click find file. Now you can see this is the window explorer, the file explorer. You already come into the folder, so just check. It is under C user public document Reallusion templates. So click the Reallusion and everything, the whole folder here. You can just have a look. The Reallusion template, it includes everything, all the templates for your iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. And then you up the Reallusion custom, it includes all your custom file, all your zip file for your Character Creator 4 and iClone 8. These two folders are the latest version, but what about the previous version like iClone 7? It is inside the template folder. You can see the iClone 7 and Character Creator 3, all the templates are inside the template folder. So actually, if you want to backup everything, you just need to backup the Reallusion folder under the public document. This is the C user public documents. It is at this location, the Reallusion folder. You just right click copy the whole folder into external hard drive or any of your cloud drive. You can zip the whole thing. Then to make a backup, after you already backed, it considered as safe already. Sometimes you may lose your file, then you can recover back all your files. Right, that is the way on how to backup everything for your iClone 8 and Character Creator 4, the template folder and the custom folder. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy animation and game developing. See you!